It doesn't happen often when I talk about something that is so good that it almost feels too good to be true. But hear me out. In this video, I'm not promoting anything. What I'm about to share with you is the result of my work, true thoughts and true predictions. I know what I'm talking about. It's the experience collected over the past 3-4 bull runs that I was actively participating in. In this video, I will highlight a cryptocurrency that is 100 times better than Shiba Inu, SHIB and Dogecoin, DOGE. And if you stick with me until the very end, you will be able to learn the best way of benefiting from this knowledge. I will share my thoughts on how to maximize profits, and it's not leverage trading, which can be super risky and minimize chances of profit loss. I will share my thoughts on what to do to ensure that you benefit generously from the rise of Pepe. Remember, this asset is one of a kind, and after analyzing numerous cryptocurrencies, this one is my top choice this year. Before we begin diving into the subject, I would like to inform you that this show is available on Spotify, Apple, and other podcast platforms. Obviously, our top priority is YouTube. Here you can both hear and see me. You can also view the information that I'm sharing, but Shark Numbers is featured on other platforms as well. Also, remember how karma works, and it works all the time. You cannot get more than you give. If you take my advice, if you find it useful, be sure to give your thanks back in the form of comment and a like under this video if you are on YouTube. Enough talking, let's jump straight into the mysterious asset Pepe. Without further ado, let's get rolling. Guys, a lot of YouTubers promote coins and tokens because they get paid by token creators or projects. Sometimes I do it as well, but not today. In this episode, I'm solely going to talk about a project that never paid me, and I never accepted any form of remuneration in exchange for promoting. So bear in mind that I'm only going to share my thoughts in this video. So, what is so cool about Pepe? First and foremost, unlike SHIB and DOGE, Pepe has a limited supply and all of the tokens are in circulation. That means that token creators do not keep secret amounts of tokens in their pockets. All 420 trillion 690 billion tokens are in circulation. Take a look at SHIB. Only half of all tokens are in circulating supply. Although the token supply is limited, not all of the tokens are in the circulating supply. Almost half of SHIB tokens are trapped in those secret pockets of early creators and other beneficiaries. Shiba Inu creators send a lot of tokens to a variety of celebrities to self-promote. We don't know who still keeps those tokens and if there are going to be future massive dumps. And when it comes to DOGE, doesn't even have max supply. Despite the fact that high-tier influencers, including Elon Musk, are shilling this token, DOGE is worthless. It is a high-inflation coin token with no value other than the sentimental one. What else is so special about Pepe? Well, take a look at the market capitalization. Because Pepe is so new, it's fully diluted valuation, which is what is important. And it's only $3.5 billion. Compare this to SHIB, which is around $29 billion, and DOGE, which is about the same, $26 billion. And it's clear to us that Pepe is kind of like SHIB and DOGE at their early stage of development. Yeah, if you regret not making money with SHIB, you have an opportunity to fix it right now with Pepe. Except Pepe is more predictable because we know that everything is in circulation. Now, remember I told you that if you stick until the end, I'll share my strategy with you. It has been proven to be successful over a period of time. Regardless of the market, it can be bearish or bullish. You can make money consistently with Pepe by following this strategy. A lot of newbies either go broke, putting everything at the top and not being patient enough, selling all crypto at the bottom. I can't blame you for that. I made that same mistake before. We all learn. Also, there are people who risk too much and trade or invest at a leverage. Don't do leverage trading with this token. Trust me, it is as volatile as it is. Don't listen to those YouTubers promoting trading bots and Bybit of telling you how they made easy money in just 1 week. It's all fake. And those are paid promos. Here's what you can do to enjoy the process of making money consistently, almost entirely minimize risks. Split your total into 5 to 10 different amounts and use the Martingale strategy to trade. You can watch my old video on that. Basically, you will need a Fibonacci retracement tool for that. Place buy and sell orders on different Fib levels. The tool always works. And even if the price goes down by 90% temporarily, your long-term strategy will still make you a wealthy man. I can't believe it, but I published the video about 3 years ago. For long-term gains, I recommend that you utilize the Martingale strategy. No multipliers. Try automating the process by using basic automation tools. A lot of centralized exchanges, including Binance and Bybit, offer automation tools with basic features such as take profit and stop loss. You don't need a stop loss for this strategy because this token will never go to zero. It's just a meme coin. So just take profit. You will always be gaining a little bit of profit because this asset is highly volatile. So just benefit from the price fluctuation and enjoy making money with Pepe. You can say thank you now or later by leaving your comment in the comment section. Always be vigilant and remember, making money is a long-term journey that requires patience and dedication. I hope you found this episode useful. I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.